IWI TAVOR X95. The TAVOR X95 is the next generation bullpup from IWI US. The X95 Micro TAVOR is an innovative 3-caliber firearm that is a combined assault rifle, carbine, and submachine gun (SMG). Leveraging its advanced technology, the X95 can be converted in minutes from 5.56mm 45mm caliber to 9mm by 19mm caliber to 5.45mm by 39mm caliber, and vice versa. This leap in innovation makes it possible to use the same weapon platform for highly diverse scenarios. Its compatibility with different ammunition calibers also saves training time, spare parts, and significantly reduces TCO.